not only does it illuminate what we can do as a municipality, it is off the grid. So if anything happens that our power grid goes down, this park, frankly, will be lit, and it will be a resource. To do something like this here, to lead the way, to show people that it can be done, and as I said, they're attractive, so it's not even like you're sacrificing the landscape in order to do something good for the environment.
We were the first city in America to try out this technology here on our water's edge, and it was so wonderfully successful that now that they're actually installed these lights in the entire park here. And I'm just hopeful that as we move forward with this technology, that we're able to harness the extra power that's being produced here, because we know that there's extra, especially all the winds here, that somehow we get that to get back into the grid.